Welcome, everyone, to AtomUnity Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the AtomUnity WP Marketplace theme on your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar, hover over Appearance and then click on Themes. Next, click on Add New. You can also search the theme and download it directly. To install the AtomUnity Marketplace theme, click on the Upload Theme button. Choose the theme's zip file that you've downloaded, and then click Install Now. After installation, click the Activate button to activate the AtomUnity WP Marketplace theme. After activation, the theme will open a setup wizard to help you get started. The wizard will guide you through a few important steps. It will start by installing the required plugins for the theme. Then, it will import the demo content, giving your site a head start in terms of design and structure. And there you have it. Your AtomUnity WordPress Marketplace theme is now installed, activated, and ready to go. You can start customizing your community website and connecting with your audience. If you have an active AtomChat license, then you can activate AtomChat from here, or you can do it later. Go back to Appearance and Themes. You will find the AtomUnity Marketplace WordPress theme. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated the AtomUnity WP Marketplace theme on your WordPress website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help.